Brings it all around. Any other guesses on this sound? Wait.
That's an Asian girl, definitely.
Yeah, definitely Asian.
Definitely.
No!
Black men too boku.
You watch those anime things?
Oh, yeah, no.
It's always some fucking giant, big Asian with like a glowing orange cock. And then they go, and this cartoon jizz comes out. They are the most perverted fucking collection of people.
Yes.
I love
the Japanese.
Hey,
They're all the schoolgirl uniforms. They pick up the back. And then their ass has like that tic-tac-toe shine on it that cartoons have, because it's not supposed to have anything on it at all, a pure, nice ass.
Oh, God, yeah.
How many volumes of this crap do you have? 18 anime porno fucking videotapes.